Hi, my name's Will White. I'm the Senior Application Specialist for Distributed Energy Resources here at Fluke, and we're going to talk about our different EVSE testing equipment. The FEV350 will also send the control pilot signal to the station to turn it on, and it includes many of those test features built right into the FEV350. So it can do voltage, current measurements, and also has a scope meter built right in. The FEV350 can also save test results, export them to the TruTest software where you can create reports, save data that you can reference later in case conditions on the site change and you need some historic data. The FEV500 is our level 3 DC fast charging station tester. It will do all the tests that you need to do on a DC fast charger. It automates the sequence of testing, so it makes it very simple for technicians to use. You can also save data, export that to the TruTest software, create reports, and refer back to that data in the future as well. So no matter what your EVSE testing needs are, we have a tool that will provide that solution. Thank you.